my channel. This is Madeline with Handmade by Nivri, coming to you with another video. And when I tell you, this is a long overdue video, like almost a year overdue, but it doesn't matter. I'm here right now. I'm ready to take this leap of faith. I'm ready to take this plunge. I'm ready to embark on this new endeavor. Whatever you want to sum it up, I'm ready. Today is going to be the official unboxing of my Cricut machine. I have a Cricut Explore Air 2. And it's blue. No. Okay, a little backstory. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I've been seeing so many people with them doing different things, making t-shirts, making hats, making mugs, making all type of different designs, different projects. So I was like, I want one of those. And, you know, they were kind of pricey, but, you know, I got one. My sister gifted me one last year for Mother's Day, okay? And here's the kicker. I got it on sale. I got it on sale at Target. It was regular, I believe $249. I paid $169 for it. And it was funny because when I went to Target, like Mother's Day was that Sunday, and I was like, well, she'll give me the money to get it. And I said, well, I'm not gonna go today. I'm just gonna go on my research because I was gonna eventually order it. You know, I was willing to pay the $249 plus for it, you know. But I just so happened to look up Cricut, and Target had them on sale. And when I went into the store, I had screenshot it on my phone, and I saw a sales associate there because the ticket still said the $249. So I asked somebody, I was like, is this gonna ring up for the $169? He's like, I don't know. He said, you know, that's like a big cut. He said, but I don't know. He said, cause I don't think he was like a manager or anything like that. I think he was just an employee. Anyway, I got it because it was only 2 on the shelf. So I got it, put it in my basket, and when I went to the checkout, I showed her on my phone because it rang up to $249. So I showed her on my phone. I was like, look, it says it's $169. And she's like, yeah, it does say that. And she didn't get no other type of overrides or anything like that. So I got me a brand new Cricut Explore Air 2 for $169 plus tax. And I don't know what took me so long to open it up. I don't know, it was just intimidation. I don't know why it took me so long to open this thing up. Because really, I mean, I sew all the time. I keep my sewing machine out, the ironing board. I mean, all those things I keep out constantly. So I don't know what was the setback for me, you know, opening up my Cricut machine. But today, I'm going to open it up. And per this video, it's for St. Patrick's Day. I wanted to do a St. Patrick's Day sweatshirt. So I said, okay, this is my time to do the sweatshirt. Hobby Lobby had a sale on all of their vinyls and iron-ons and different things like that. They're 40% off this week. So I went up there and I found some vinyl to put on a sweatshirt. I have a green sweatshirt, so I want to put something for St. Patrick's Day on my green sweatshirt. So I said, well, there's no better time to open up my Cricut than now. So without further ado, I am going to do an unboxing video for you so you can see all the components that it comes with, just in case you're wanting to buy a Cricut. And like I said, I don't know if the Explore Air is still available. It may be still available in stores, I don't know, but I know they have a new one, the 3 that's out, you know. And I thought about even taking this one back and getting a 3, but I said, you know what, I'm no Cricut expert, and no use to me having a very high priced piece of equipment, and I really don't know how to work it. But maybe eventually, you know, once I get my skills up and begin to learn this machine and begin to learn all the things and all the components that it does, I may eventually, you know, invest in another machine. But I'll still keep this one. I know they have a smaller version. They have a Cricut Joy. They have all type of Cricut machines. You have the heat press. It's so many different components that come with the Cricut machine. So here we go. Without further ado, I am going to do an unboxing video for you on this channel. All right. The original Cricut machine was built in 2006, and their goal was simple. Cricut wanted to give crafters an easy way to make professional-looking paper crafts with an essential handmade feel. Since then, they've been truly inspired by the beautiful things that their customers make and the creativity, generosity, and the spirit of the Cricut community. All right, I'm going to unbox my Cricut, and when you open it up, the first thing you will get will be a mat. And there it comes with all the instructions and everything like that. It comes with a welcome book. It comes with your Cricut trial membership. It comes already with 50 ready to make projects. It also comes with materials for your first project. As I'm opening up, it has your warranty information in there. It has your Let's Get Started booklet, which kind of just walk you through the steps on how to start your Cricut up. You're welcome. And just a book, just pretty much saying about the history of the Cricut machine and just all the components that it has. And it comes with like some little samples to go ahead and just do some practicing on. Okay. Some cardstock. All right, it comes with your power adapter. Okay, just plug that into the back of it and plug one part into your port. Okay, it comes with a fine point pen and also a USB cable. Okay, and it says the Cricut Explore Air 2 is the star of the best-selling Cricut Explore family of the smart cutting machines, featuring speedier writing and cutting, Bluetooth wireless technology, and powerful new features for your mobile devices. It's built to make your crafting experience faster, easier, and more convenient than ever. All right, so I'm taking out my Cricut. It comes very well secure, very well sealed. Okay, I'm pulling off that sticky stuff. Okay, that's the storage cup that it comes with. And this right here is where your mat and everything go. Like I say, I couldn't get the tape off at that point, but I'll eventually show it opened up. Okay. Here's your smart dials. It has your load button, your go button, your pause button on there. Depends on the type of material that you're cutting. That's on your smart dial. Okay. Whether you like making things from scratch or from start, that's something already designed. Your Cricut machine and Design Space software work together to make DIY projects very easy. As I said, it already come with ready to make projects. And this is something that I bought from Hobby Lobby. It's the equivalent to the Cricut tools, your weeding tool and all that. So I just grabbed that. It was on like 14 bucks. And I also bought some smart iron-on to kind of practice with. And I do believe I could use the Cricut Joy inside of this machine. And here's the gold iron-on that I was telling you about that I wanted to do for my St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. So this will be my first project that I do. And here's the Cricut. Designing a project from scratch is a great way to experiment, learn, and express your own creativity. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I hope it was kind of self-explanatory and it kind of give you the idea of what comes with it. They come already ready to go. It comes with a fine point, a pen, and pen, I guess that's what they call them, pen, and fine point tool to do, you know, those little card stock and those different things like that, your vinyls and different things like that. So when you get it, it's ready to use. So you don't have to worry about trying to invest in a housing and tip, that's what it's called. You don't have to worry about investing into a housing and a tip when you get your machine. There's one already in the machine, ready to go. So you'll just go ahead and just grab some materials and get to cricketing. All right, until next time, I will see you in the next one. Y'all have a blessed day and be safe. Bye.